If you would like to know how I make this Hanging Vines Rhinestone wine tumbler, please keep watching. I'll be using the Premier Pack from Diamond Fire Rhinestones. The colors I received were the special mix of Wino Forever, Mirage Champagne, and Bordeaux Red. It also came with these extra goodies as well. I'm starting off with a 15-ounce wine tumbler from Stainless Steel Depot. I painted my tumbler using Dixie Belle Bonding Boss. I let that sit overnight. Then the next day I painted with a mixture of colors from Angelus paints. The first color was bronze, and then I painted over that with red, and then the next paint I used was Prince Purple. I chose these colors because I felt the stones had a little bit of each color and they would all help with blending in the rhinestones. So now I'm going to take my paint pen that I got on sale from Amazon. I really like this brand and I'm going to try to freehand some vines and leaves with some swirlies on the cup. Started outlining the rim of the cup with the Mirage Champagne. I used different sizes for the rim. Now I'll be finishing up the outline of the vines. As you can see, I'm working with the Mirage Champagne and the Bordeaux Red at the same time. If there was a flower or leaf not filled in with the gold, I used the Bordeaux Red inside of it. I also did the same with the Wino mix if there was a tight area when placing the Mirage Champagne. I'm using different sizes for the outline to add some dimension. After outlining the Mirage champagne, I added Wino Forever on the bottom rim and let that dry before proceeding. Now I am filling in the rest of the cup with Wino Forever. I do find it easier to work with when you have sections of the cup like I do with this one. I would work a section and then take a break. So as I was working, I noticed that I would not have enough Wino Forever to cover this cup. So I ended up taking my gold paint pen and adding more leaves and swirlies to take up some of the space. Also, since Wino Forever does have Bordeaux red in it, I used some of that in the body of the cup like the larger rhinestones because my Wino Forever was mostly smaller stones that was left. So that is how I saved this cup towards the end, as you can see. When I was done with the cup, I decided to take some acetone and a paper towel and wipe the bottom, trying to clear up some of that paint. As I was clearing up the paint, you can see that the white from the bonding boss was showing up, and it was kind of thick, so I took my X-Acto knife and tried to scrape it off with that. Now, here is the finished product. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching.